Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining pie charts. As I've already explained in previous videos regarding bar charts, compound pie charts, and so today we will be doing pie charts. So what is pie charts? You will write 4.3 part 4. So pie charts is a circular chart which uses slices or sectors of the circle to show the data. And so the circle in a pie chart represents the whole set of data. So for example, if you use sports played by everyone in the school, then the total number of students who are playing sports will be represented by the circle. So for example, if we use the activities that has been done by a student in a day, like a table shows the student spent her day. So we will use a table like that and write the activity and number of hours. So for school she has spent 7 hours, then sleeping it is 8 hours, for online 2 hours, then eating it is 1.5 hours, and for on the phone it is 2.5 hours, and the last one will be complaining about stuff. Complaining about stuff, that is 3 hours. So now we will write the total number of hours. So total number of hours are 24 hours, and out of which for school it is 7 out of 24 multiplied by 360. So we have to represent this as number of or the degrees that will be included in the pie chart, like this. In this we have to represent the angle. So if we convert this, that will be 105 degrees. Then for sleeping it will be 8 over 24 multiplied by 360, that will be 120. Then for eating, not eating, online, that will be 2 over 24 multiplied by 360, that is 30 degrees. Then for eating, that is for eating, which is 1.5 hours, that is 24 divided by 360, that is 22 and a half. Then on the phone, that is on the phone is 2.5 divided by 24 multiplied by 360, that is 2.5, that is 37 and a half. And the last is complaining, sorry, here, complaining, and that is 3 hours. So 3 divided by 24 multiplied by 360, that is 45 degrees. So now we will use this and represent this in the circle. So over here like this, we will represent this as complaining. Then for school it will be here. Then for sleep this will be represented. Then for eating, it will be represented like this. And last two will be online, then it will be on the phone, and like this. So we have sleeping, studying, eating, and like this. Just an example. I'm not measuring each and everything, but this is how we will be doing for measuring the pie chart. So this is pie charts. And guys, if you like this video and are clear with this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you have any queries regarding this, don't hesitate to comment below this video and I will message you right back regarding any queries. See you in the next video. Bye.